When it comes to keeping your makeup intact all day, nothing does the trick quite like a setting spray. Whether you're battling humidity, long hours, or just want to ensure your makeup stays flawless, a good setting spray is a game changer. But with so many options out there, how do you choose the best one for your needs? In this video, we'll dive into the top 5 setting sprays that promise to lock in your makeup while delivering unique benefits. Let's get started with our first pick. Kicking off our list at number 1, Morphe Continuous. The Morphe Continuous Setting Mist has become a cult favorite, particularly for those who need long-lasting makeup with a lightweight finish. Known for its ultra-fine mist, this product ensures an even application without disrupting your makeup. It promises to provide a smooth, refreshed look while keeping your face hydrated throughout the day. Key features. One of the standout features of this setting spray is the Continuous Mist Spray Nozzle. Unlike many other sprays that can be too heavy or uneven, Morphe's nozzle provides a steady and consistent mist, which delivers an ultra-fine layer of product. This makes it easier to apply without soaking your face, leaving no droplets behind. It's also infused with vitamins and antioxidants to support the skin's health while holding makeup in place. Benefits and usage. Morphe Continuous Setting Mist works wonders for all skin types. The mist is designed to lock your makeup in place for up to 12 hours without making your skin feel heavy. It's perfect for those who want a breathable and lightweight setting spray. Plus, the ingredients help maintain the makeup's integrity, giving your face that fresh, matte finish. To use, hold the bottle at arm's length and spritz your face evenly. Use it after your makeup routine or throughout the day for a quick refresh. Usability. This product is ideal for those who don't want the feeling of a sticky or tacky finish. Morphe's mist is hydrating but doesn't leave an oily residue behind, making it great for oily to combination skin types. Its lightweight formula makes it easy to apply and allows your makeup to last all day without feeling like it's caked on. Moreover, it's travel-friendly, so you can toss it in your bag for a midday touch-up. Durability. As far as longevity goes, Morphe's Setting Mist lives up to its claims. It helps your makeup stay in place for hours, offering a natural matte finish that doesn't fade or break down. The added benefit of antioxidants keeps your skin looking fresh even after a full day of wear, preventing the makeup from looking dull or worn out. In the second spot, we have Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush. Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is one of the most luxurious products in the setting spray market. Known for its ability to blur imperfections and create a soft focus effect, this product is designed for those who want a flawless finish without any shine. It's perfect for brides, special occasions, or anyone looking to elevate their makeup routine. Key features. The key feature of this setting spray is its Airbrush technology, which is designed to blur the appearance of fine lines and pores. It's formulated with a combination of ingredients that not only help set makeup, but also leave your face with a smooth, airbrushed look. This spray is also infused with a microfine mist that settles evenly on the face and doesn't disturb your makeup. It contains a blend of alcohol and hydrating agents, ensuring that your skin stays matte yet moisturized. Benefits and usage. Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray works wonders for those with oily skin or who need a matte finish. It delivers a long-lasting hold, keeping makeup intact for up to 16 hours. It's perfect for anyone looking to reduce shine while enhancing the overall finish of their makeup. To use, simply shake the bottle and spray at a distance from your face to ensure even coverage. The light mist won't leave your skin feeling sticky or tight, and it works well with all skin types. Usability. This product is ideal for anyone wanting that flawless, polished look. Its lightweight formula makes it easy to use, and it helps makeup stay intact through heat, humidity, and sweat. Whether you're attending a special event or just need something to keep your makeup fresh throughout the day, this spray is reliable. The bottle is sleek and easy to handle, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Durability. Charlotte Tilbury's Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray is known for its impressive staying power. Whether you're wearing makeup for a few hours or all day, it keeps your face looking fresh and flawless without any fading or settling. The formula helps control oil production while maintaining a natural matte look, ensuring that your makeup doesn't slip off or break down during the day. Coming in at number 3 is the NYX Matte Setting Spray. NYX Matte Setting Spray is a popular budget-friendly option for those looking to keep their makeup in place without spending too much. This setting spray is designed to provide a matte finish, making it an excellent choice for individuals with oily skin or those who want to control shine. It's known for its affordability and high performance, offering excellent results at a fraction of the price of some premium brands. Key features. This setting spray is formulated with a fast-drying formula that helps control shine and gives a matte, poreless finish. It also contains no oils, which makes it perfect for oily skin types. The spray provides a non-drying, weightless feeling while locking in makeup and preventing any unwanted shine. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and comes in an easy-to-use spray bottle that disperses the product evenly across the face. Benefits and usage. The primary benefit of the NYX Matte Setting Spray is its ability to lock makeup in place for hours while controlling oil and preventing shine. This spray is ideal for anyone who struggles with an oily T-zone or needs their makeup to last from morning to night without touch-ups. To use, simply shake the bottle and hold it at arm's length, spritzing your face evenly to set your makeup. Usability. NYX Matte Setting Spray is perfect for those who need a simple, effective solution without the hefty price tag. The non-greasy, lightweight formula makes it easy to apply, and it's suitable for daily use. This setting spray is especially great for individuals who want to control shine without drying out their skin. Its compact size makes it convenient for travel and on-the-go applications. Durability. This spray promises a matte finish that lasts all day, even in humid or sweaty conditions. It keeps your makeup looking fresh without causing any buildup or heaviness. NYX Matte Setting Spray helps maintain your makeup without requiring constant touch-ups, making it ideal for those busy days when you don't have time to reapply. Taking our 4th spot is Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. Makeup Forever Mist and Fix is a versatile setting spray designed to offer a natural finish while helping to lock in makeup for extended wear. Known for its lightweight, hydrating formula, this spray is perfect for those who want their makeup to stay fresh without feeling too heavy or tight. It's particularly favored by makeup artists for its professional quality results. Key features. The Makeup Forever Mist and Fix offers a fine mist that evenly coats the face without leaving any noticeable residue. It is formulated with a combination of ingredients that help protect your makeup from environmental factors like humidity and pollution. The spray is suitable for all skin types, and it helps refresh the skin without disturbing makeup. It also provides a natural, radiant finish without making the skin look overly dewy. Benefits and usage. This setting spray is ideal for anyone who wants to extend the longevity of their makeup while maintaining a natural, fresh look. It also hydrates the skin, keeping it moisturized throughout the day. Makeup Forever Mist and Fix is great for use before and after applying makeup, ensuring it stays in place for up to 12 hours. To use, hold the bottle at a distance and spritz evenly across your face. Usability. The fine mist and lightweight texture make it perfect for all-day wear, providing comfort and ease of use. It won't make your skin feel tight or uncomfortable, and it works well on both dry and oily skin. Its gentle formula makes it suitable for sensitive skin types, and it's especially great for those who need a versatile setting spray for both everyday wear and special occasions. Durability. Mist and Fix is known for its impressive ability to lock in makeup throughout the day. It holds makeup in place even during high-stress, sweat-inducing situations, ensuring your look remains flawless. It works particularly well in humid conditions, offering reliable hold without compromising the natural appearance of your makeup. And finally, at number 5, we have Milani Make It Last. Milani Make It Last Setting Spray is a highly rated product that delivers long-lasting results at an affordable price. It's designed to keep makeup in place for up to 16 hours while providing a radiant finish. It's especially popular among those who want a dewy look without sacrificing longevity. Key features. Milani Make It Last Setting Spray is formulated with a lightweight, fast-drying formula that helps lock in your makeup for hours. It contains a blend of ingredients that prevent makeup from fading, smudging, or settling into fine lines. The spray has a pleasant scent and a fine mist that ensures an even application, giving you a fresh, dewy finish. It's also paraben-free, making it safe for all skin types. Benefits and usage. The main benefit of Milani Make It Last is its ability to keep your makeup in place for long periods without the need for constant touch-ups. It's ideal for those who want a natural, dewy look that lasts throughout the day. To use, shake the bottle and mist it over your makeup from a distance, ensuring an even application. It's perfect for both oily and dry skin, providing hydration without adding excessive shine. Usability. This setting spray is great for people who prefer a radiant finish without feeling heavy or greasy. It's easy to use and gives an instant boost of freshness to your makeup, making it ideal for quick touch-ups. Its versatility and lightweight formula make it perfect for daily use or special events. Durability. Milani Make It Last setting spray is praised for its long-lasting performance, especially for a budget-friendly product. It keeps makeup intact for up to 16 hours, offering a reliable hold that doesn't fade or melt away during the day. Whether you're attending a wedding or just heading to work, it ensures your makeup looks fresh throughout the day. Choosing the right setting spray can make a huge difference in how your makeup lasts throughout the day. Whether you're after a matte finish, hydration, or long-lasting hold, there's something here for every skin type and need. All 5 of these setting sprays deliver excellent results, and finding the one that works best for you will ensure your makeup stays perfect all day long. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and reviews.